菲律賓眾議院正式通過副總統沙拉杜特地的彈劾案，上直接的影響就是可能會暫停伊2028總統大路。另外，有現今的參議員德拉羅莎去國際法庭來發布逮捕令，目前也被在參議院大樓請求保護。
255 members voting in the affirmative, 26 against, 9 abstention.
菲律賓眾議院以真懸的票數通過對副總統沙拉杜特地的彈劾案。這個前總統杜特地的查某囝，予人指控濫使用機密資金、貪污，甚至閣嗆聲要暗殺現任總統小馬可仕等罪名。專案刷落來會送去參議院審判。若准予人定罪，沙拉唔但會互免職，也閣有可能規世人攏袂當做公職，就連2028年也袂當出來選總統。
Sara Duterte as the Vice President of the Philippines is a danger to the public. We cannot have a vice president who is corrupt, who is incapable, being a heartbeat away from the presidency. The country will be at better hands if she is not the vice president.
杜特地家族的危機也閣唔那一層，現任參議員德拉羅莎是前總統杜特地的新北，過去執行掃毒戰的前警察總長，但也面對司法的清算。國際刑事法院正式公布對伊的逮捕令，大批國家調查局的探員包圍參議院，逼德拉羅莎敢來當趕緊走，秘入參議院的辦公室。
Mr. De La Rosa is alleged to have committed the crime against humanity of murder, at least between the 3rd of July 2016 and the end of April 2018, during which no less than 32 persons were killed in the Republic of the Philippines.
國際刑事法院前幾日才裁定前總統杜特地必須要面對審判，但查某囝莎拉也面對彈劾審判，掃毒戰將也要予人查。杜特地的勢力當咧劣化，甲馬可仕家族拆破面，也予菲律賓政壇大震動。公視新聞鄭偉林編譯。